Yes. Can I have some shoes? What do you want with me? I will do the best. I will do the best I can. I will work. I'm just a peasant. If that is what you want, I will work. Oh, okay, I will work. You change your mind often. Yes. I do what I'm told. I will work. Do not hurt me. That was a lot of work. You change your mind often. Oh, okay, I will work. I'm just a peasant. I will do the best I can. I will obey. I do what I am told. This hammer is heavy. I will work. Cannot we live in peace? I'm just a peasant. Oh, okay, I will work. I'm just a peasant.
Ready for war.
I will try to hurry. I will work. I will obey. Can I have some shoes? What do you want? I will do what I must. Do not hurt me. You change your mind. Construction has been completed. I am finished with the building. What do you want with me? This hammer is heavy. Yes. Does it have to be so far? Building construction has been completed.
Quick, ready yourself.
I'm hungry.
The next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
This is hard. What do you want with me? Can I have some shoes? If that is what you want, do not hurt
Upgrade
me.
complete.
I am finished with the building. This is hard work. I am finished with the building.
Guarding the GLA underground. The higher order shall reign. No cost is too great. Not be oppressed. Our spirit will be seen by all. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I will obey.
I'll puncture the next thing that
I'm just a peasant. I will go. This is hard work.
Freedom fighters, attack! Let's fight! I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Our land must be preserved.
Do not hurt me.
Puncture the next thing
I do what I am told.
Guarding the GLA underground. We have captured the building. Quad cannon.
I'm hungry.
Don't get on my bad side. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Quad cannon. What? Huh?
Building
Quad cannon.
construction has
Don't
been
get on my
completed.
bad side. Four on the floor. Don't get on my bad side. Huh?
Cannot we live in peace? I do what I am told. Does it have to be so far?
The new camo netting has arrived. The new camo netting has arrived.
I will go. Building construction has been completed.
Yes. The new camo netting has arrived.
I'm hungry.
Our courage will be seen by all.
Building construction has been
Four on the
completed.
floor. We have watched quad cannon. Don't get on my bad side. Our land must be preserved. Quad cannon. Four on the floor. Quad cannon. Four on the floor. Don't push me. We have watched
a lot
the
of
enemy.
work. I am finished with the building.
General, our land is being attacked. The new camo netting underground.
Upgrade complete.
Overtake the camo netting has arrived. Land must be preserved. Okay, over there. Let's get in there. Be on watch for the enemy. GLA underground. Shh. I sense danger maybe near. The tunnels on watch for the enemy. Quick, ready.
A warrior has fallen.
The tunnels with land must be preserved. Be safe in there. Ready for dispatch. Guarding the GLA underground. Don't get on my back. Stop the dead in the trucks.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
Be on watch for the enemy.
A warrior has
Danger,
fallen.
ready, listen careful. Quick, run for shelter. What? Stop them dead in the trucks. They will break and shut. Watch for the enemy. Quad cannon. Guarding the GLA underground. What? Don't get on my bad side.
Oh, okay, I will work.
Bomb truck ready for dispatch.
Yes.
Be on watch for the
What do
enemy.
you want with me?
Bomb truck ready for dispatch. The new camo netting has arrived.
A warrior has fallen.
Does it have to be so far?
Be on guard. We have exposed an enemy
I will
particle
work.
cannon.
Be on watch for the enemy. Quick, ready yourself. Our land must be preserved. Be on watch for the enemy.
A warrior has
I will
fallen.
work.
I'm alone.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
Bomb
truck ready for dispatch.
Quad cannon.
I'm just a
Ready for
peasant.
dispatch.
Don't get on my bad side. Yes, yes.
Quick, ready yourselves.
Four on the floor. Huh? Start the machinery.
A warrior has fallen.
What do you want with me?
Quad cannon. It's mine.
Be careful. We have spotted a nuclear missile silo.
Four on the floor.
I am waiting the time.
Our Jarman Kelp has been seen by the enemy.
Preparing my
A
tools.
warrior has fallen.
Indeed. New spotting position. I move in the shadows. I hear you.
I'm just a
Be
peasant.
careful. We have spotted
Yes,
a nuclear
I'm
missile
hungry.
silo.
No one escapes. Indeed.
A warrior has
Who's the
fallen.
target? Steady. New spotting position.
Okay, I will work.
Don't get on my bad. Begin stitching.
I hear you.
General, our
Move in the
landing
shadows.
Loaded and ready. What vehicle should we look like? They want their
Preparing my
vehicle.
tools.
Biobomb loaded.
A warrior has fallen. Our Jarman Kelp has been seen by the enemy.
Quad cannon.
Explosive bomb loaded.
Don't get on my bad side.
Not responsible for damage. What vehicle should we look like, guys? Right on schedule.
Beyond
Biobomb
Dawn, we have
loaded.
exposed an enemy particle
Sorry,
cannon.
not tracking delivery. GLA Postal Service. I
Be
will send a
careful.
clear
We have
explosive bomb
spotted a
loaded.
nuclear missile silo.
Here I Sorry, not tracking numbers.
A warrior has fallen.
Nothing stops the mail. Transporting. I will carry it. I will send a clear message. Shipment on the way. And ready. It is my purpose. Not responsible for damaged goods. Not tracking numbers. I will send a clear message. Postal Service. Not responsible for damaged goods. Transporting.
A
Nothing stops
warrior
the
has
mail.
fallen. Be on guard. We have exposed an enemy particle cannon.
What?
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
Going. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
A warrior has fallen.
Be on watch for the enemy. GLA Postal Service. I'll disguise myself as a vehicle. They won't tell the difference. Transporting.
Don't get on my bad side.
Be on watch for the enemy.
Four on the floor.
A warrior has fallen.
I will send a clear transporting.
I'm hungry. I will help. What do you want with me?
I have the delivery. For the enemy. Here I come.
Quad cannon. I'll get there. Going.
The cannons will protect you there.
A warrior has fallen.
GLA underground.
Four on the floor. Come to our level. They will break and shatter. Flip their wings.
Guarding the GLA underground.
Okay, I will work.
The cannons will protect us.
Be careful. The enemy has built a scud stone.
GLA Postal Service loaded and ready.
A warrior has
Transporting.
fallen.
Not responsible for damaged goods.
Huh? Yes, yes.
GLA Postal Service. Transporting. I have a delivery. GLA Postal Service. Sorry, no tracking numbers. I have a delivery. I will send a clear message. Shipment on the way. Here I come. GLA Postal Service. Sorry, no tracking numbers. Not responsible for damaged goods. Be on watch for the enemy. Right on schedule. Transporting.
General, our enemy is using that particle cannon.
Be on watch for the enemy.
General, our enemy is using that sneak attack. Be on guard. We have exposed an enemy
What do you
particle
want
cannon.
with me? I will obey. What do you want with me? I will do the best I can. Do
Be
not hurt
careful.
me.
The enemy has built a scud stone.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I will work.
A warrior has fallen.
Ow! Okay, I will work. I will work.
Quad cannon.
I will work.
Puncture the next thing that moves. Huh? I do not have my time for this. Give me that. Going. I'll take what? Don't get on my bad side. Four on the floor.
What's the
A
job?
warrior has
The cannons
fallen.
will protect us. Our base is under attack. Vehicle should we look like shipment on the way. I have a delivery. Transporting. Shipment on the way. Right on schedule. Nothing stops the mail.
A warrior has fallen.
Guarding the GLA underground.
Nobody's sees the target.
I sense danger near near.
I'm waiting. New spotting position.
Quick, ready yourself.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Sorry, not tracking number.
explosive
Shipment
bomb
on the
detected
way.
by the vehicle.
Here
where
I
is
come. Shipment on the way.
on
watch for the enemy.
Cannot we live in peace?
GLA Postal Service.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Camo netting has arrived. Be on watch for the enemy.
Extra large. Speaker tower being ready soon.
The tunnels will protect us.
What?
A warrior has fallen.
Be on watch for the enemy. Our base is in peril.
Speaker tower is ready.
I'm hungry. I guess I should help out.
Sorry, no tracking numbers. Be on watch for the
They
enemy.
won't tell the difference.
Biobomb loaded.
Gosh, this better be good.
General, our enemy is using that particle
Explosive bomb
can.
loaded. Enemy.
I am big. Nothing in our way.
I will send a clear message. Be on right on schedule. Ready for dispatch. Nothing stops the mail.
Preparing my tools.
The tunnels will protect us.
I am waiting. New spotting
General,
position.
our land is being attacked.
I will go.
General, our enemy is using that particle can.
What do you want with me?
Loaded and ready. Arming bio-explosive bomb. Transporting.
I hear you. Who's the target? It's not protected in there.
General, a nuclear missile has been released.
Waiting.
General, our enemy is using that sneak attack.
Explosive bomb
I
loaded.
move in the shadows.
I will send a clear
A
message.
warrior has fallen.
I'm just a peasant.
Quick, ready yourself. Watch your step.
Building construction has
Land
been
must be
completed.
preserved. Guarding the GLA underground.
Preparing my tools.
Okay, I will work. Yes, this is hard work.
I am waiting.
Ready
A
for dispatch.
warrior has fallen.
Who's the target?
New camo
Picking
netting.
up.
Be on watch for the enemy. I have a delivery. Here I come.
I hear
Our base
you.
is in peril.
Who's next?
Be on watch for the enemy. Sorry, no tracking numbers.
There are no more
Here I
supplies.
come. Transporting. Right on schedule. Shipment on the way. Transporting. Watch for the enemy. Shipment on the way.
Well done, General. You
Guarding the
have reached
GLA
higher
underground. To
rank.
safety. Watch for the enemy.
General, our enemy is using that particle
I
can.
sense danger maybe near.
Do not hurt me. I will do the best I can. What do you want with me? You change your mind often.
General, our enemy is using
I
that
will
GPS
live in
scrambler.
peace. I will try
What
to
do you
hurry.
want with me?
I am waiting. I will sleep the target. He's not protected in there.
Our Jarman Kelp has been seen by the enemy.
New spotting position. Anything else?
I am finished with the
So one is destroyed.
with a lot of work.
The junk repair upgrade has been installed.
The land must be preserved. I sense danger maybe near. General, our land is being attacked.
A warrior has fallen. General, a nuclear missile has been released. General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler.
Extra large.
Land will be preserved. I sense danger maybe near.
Yes,
Quick, ready yourself. There they are. Take look to safety. Overtake that siege. Defend our home. Over there. Take to the
A
there.
warrior has fallen.
Guarding the
cannot
GLA
we live in
underground.
peace?
The tunnels will protect us.
General, a Scud scanner has been launched.
okay, I
General,
will do
our
it.
enemy is using that sneak attack. General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler. A warrior has fallen.
Do not hurt me. I'm hungry. Yes,
Working eyes at your
I will
disposal.
work. I will do the best I can. Okay, I will work. I will
Overtake has
go.
arrived.
I will work.
General, our enemy
This
is using that
hard
particle
work. Just a
can.
peasant. I do what I'm told.
General, our
I
enemy
will
is
work. I'm
using that
hungry.
GPS scrambler.
Okay, I will work. You change your mind often, if that is what you want. I will work. I will obey. I do what I am told.
Expanding
Does it
service
help me
area.
so far?
I sense danger near.
I will work.
What station you need, General?
Thank you for the new shoes.
Our land must be preserved. Guarding the GLA
General,
underground.
our enemy is using that particle cannon.
I sense danger near.
By the
Our
cross.
land must be preserved.
This is the overlord.
Building construction has been completed.
I sense danger near.
General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler.
Guarding the GLA underground.
Don't get on my bad side.
Contract ready for deploy. Loaded and ready. Arming bio-explosive bomb. Not responsible for damaged goods.
Huh?
Bio-bomb. Quick, ready first. I have a delivery. A explosive bomb loaded.
Work is complete.
The new camo netting has arrived. Here I come. Transporting. Shh! I sense danger maybe near.
I'm just a peasant. I'm hungry.
General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler.
The new camo netting has arrived. Our land must be preserved. Quick, ready yourselves.
No one escapes.
The tunnels will protect us. Our land must be preserved.
I am waiting. Preparing my tools. I move in the
Loaded
shadows.
and ready. Transporting.
I hear you.
GLA Postal Service. Right on
General,
schedule.
our enemy is using that
On
particle
the way.
cannon.
Right on schedule. Bomb truck ready for dispatch. On the way. Here I come. Shipment on the way. Here I
General,
come.
our enemy is using that sneak attack.
Transporting.
I am waiting. I will slip in. New spotting position. Indeed. I move in the shadows. No one escapes. Business is business. I don't care.
Our
who
homes
they
are in peril.
A warrior has fallen.
I have a delivery. Biobomb. Transporting. Biobomb loaded. As a vehicle.
I hear you.
A explosive bomb
slip
loaded.
in. Indeed. This won't take long.
General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler. General,
I
a
will send
nuclear
a
missile has
message.
been released.
Ow! Okay, I will hurt me. I'm hungry.
The warrior has fallen.
No one escapes. I move in the shadows.
GLA Postal Service. Right on schedule. Here I come. Nothing stops the mail. Let's fight. Sorry, no tracking numbers. Sending a message. Loaded and ready. I will send a clear message. Right on schedule. Loaded and
General,
ready.
a nuclear missile has been released. General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler.
The higher order shall reign. We will not be oppressed. No cost is too great. We must take what is ours.
New spotting position.
I will send a clear message.
Preparing my tools. Business is business.
The tunnels will protect us.
A
We are
warrior
getting
has
close.
fallen.
Yes, I guess I should help out.
Our power is low.
I hear you. Who's it again?
Let's fight. The way is clear.
General, our enemy is using that particle cannon.
Our base is in peril. The building belongs to us now.
General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler.
What do you want?
The warrior has
Building
fallen.
belongs to us now.
I'm just a peasant.
Preparing my tools. Anything else? I am waiting. Who's the target? He's in my crosshairs.
Loaded and ready. We will not be oppressed. Nothing will stop.
No one escapes. Who's the
Let's
target?
fight. The way is
General,
clear.
our enemy is using that particle cannon.
Light tank of the GLA.
Prepare to fight. I will send a clear
I am
message.
waiting.
Let's fight.
No lack of courage. As fast as I can. Very well.
General, our enemy is using that
will
sneak
do
attack.
this.
General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler. A
one
warrior has
escapes.
fallen.
Our base is under attack. Too great.
Preparing my tool. Who's the target? Pick him off.
Loaded and ready. Our way is not responsible for damaged goods. Our courage will be seen by all. We will not be oppressed. No cost is too great.
No one escapes. New spotting
I have
position.
delivery. Let's fight.
We are the just ones. It is good. Yes, I
Prepare
understand.
my
Responsible
tools.
for damaged goods.
We can now use our Scudstorm.
Here I come.
I hear you.
General, a Scudstorm has been launched. General, our enemy is using their GPS scrambler. A warrior has fallen.
Our homes are in peril.
4 on the floor.
Guarding the GLA underground.
Quad cannon. Begin stitching.
Our power is low. General, our enemy is using their particle cannon.
The cannons will protect us.
I will work.
I will
General, a Scudstorm has been launched. General, our enemy is using their GPS scrambler.
What do you want with me? I will work. I will try
Speaker
to
tower
not
is
hurt me.
ready.
I will do what I must.
Our land must be
A
preserved.
warrior has fallen.
Land for shelter.
I'm just a peasant. This is do not
Hard
hurt
work.
me.
Guarding the GLA underground. Okay, over there. We must be careful. Shh! I sense danger maybe near. The cannons will protect us. Our land must be preserved. I sense danger maybe near. Don't let them get away.
A warrior has
They are
fallen.
getting close. Okay, over there. Quick, ready yourself.
General, our enemy is using their GPS scrambler.
The cannons will protect us.
Oh, okay, I will work. I will obey. I will try to hurry. Oh, okay, I will work. I'm just a peasant.
Our land
A
must be
warrior has
preserved.
fallen.
I cannot see any more supplies.
Ready yourself. Nationalism will get them. Get them now. Over there. Defend our cause.
Dragon shutter. Get on my bad side.
The cannons will protect us. Our land must be preserved. Will protect us.
Huh?
Quick, ready yourselves.
General, our enemy is using that sneak attack. General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler.
Okay,
A
I
warrior
will
has
work.
fallen.
Our base is in
Don't
peril.
get on my bad side.
I'm hungry. It's not looking too good, is it?
Are you ready? Extra large. Extra large. Overlord is waiting. I will
Our
crush.
power is low.
It won't be long. In a moment. In a moment. I am. This is the Overlord tank. Crush. This is the
General,
Overlord.
our enemy
tank.
is using their particle
Crush.
cannon.
Extra large. This is the Overlord
Upgrade
tank.
complete.
Extra
General, our
large.
enemy is using their
What
GPS
you need,
scrambler.
Crush. Extra large. I will crush. This is the Overlord tank. This is the Overlord tank. This is the Overlord tank. Extra large. Crush. I will crush. This better be extra large.
4 on the floor. Quad cannon.
Cannot we live in peace? Yes, starting I'm hungry.
General, our enemy is using their particle cannon.
Cannot we live in
The ring
peace?
of light.
It already needs repairs.
The mother of
work
all
is complete.
weapons.
I will obey.
Subliminal messaging upward.
General, our enemy is using their GPS scrambler. General, a nuclear missile has been released.
Guarding the GLA underground.
What do you want with me?
Quick, ready yourselves. Guarding the GLA underground.
A warrior has fallen.
I am finished with the building.
Quick, ready yourselves.
I'm just a peasant. What do you want with me? I'm hungry.
A warrior has
The ring of
fallen.
light. We bear gifts. Look warheads preserved.
General, our enemy is using their GPS scrambler.
Yes. What do you want with me?
The tunnels will protect us.
I'm hungry. Cannot we live in peace?
Our power is low. General, our enemy is using their particle cannon. A warrior has fallen.
Attacking! Our base is in peril. Attacking!
General, our enemy is using that sneak attack. General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler.
We will be generous.
I will crush.
The mother we bear gifts. We will be generous.
Our work is complete.
I am big. In a moment. I am in control. I am big. What extra
Upgrade
large?
complete.
The mother
I
of all
will
weapons.
crush.
We bear gifts.
This is the Overlord tank.
General, our land is being attacked.
Bearing my tools. I am waiting. I don't care who they are.
General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler.
We will not be oppressed. One path to freedom.
Shh, I sense danger
Our
near.
courage will be seen by all. Our homes are in peril.
Yes. Oh, okay, I will work.
Quick, ready
I
yourself.
will
The
work.
higher order shall reign.
I sense danger near.
Yes, it already needs repairs.
How about the test drive, huh?
I will work.
Excellent plan.
Bearing my tools.
Our land must be preserved. The tunnels will protect us.
General, a scout scan has been launched. General, our enemy is using that GPS
Need a
scrambler.
vehicle? No one escapes.
A warrior has fallen. Our power is low.
Look, warheads preserved. Extra large. What is next?
We will be
General,
generous.
our enemy is using that particle cannon.
We must be patient. Rush.
General, a scout scan has been launched. General,
Warheads
our
preserved.
enemy is using that GPS
We
scrambler.
must be patient.
I will work. What do you want with me? Do not hurt me. Yes. Does it have to be so far? Okay, I will work. Do not hurt me. I will do what I must. I will go.
A warrior has fallen.
I will crush.
We will be generous. The mother of all
General,
weapons.
our
This
enemy
is
is
the
using that
Overlord
particle tank.
It is time. What do you need?
We bear gifts. The battlefield.
This is the Overlord tank. Overlord moving.
General, our enemy is using that sneaky. General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler.
Crush. What is next? Extra large.
The mother of all weapons.
What do you need?
We bear gifts. Where shall we prepare? We must be patient.
Extra large. I will take care of it. I see. Overlord is waiting. Extra large.
We will be generous. Where shall we prepare? Precious cargo.
It is time. Overlord is waiting.
The mother of all
What do you
weapons.
need?
Be careful. She's fragile.
Overlord is waiting. This is the Overlord tank.
General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler.
Extra large. They are pure.
A warrior has fallen.
I will crush. I am in control. They are pure. Overlord is waiting. This better be good. It won't be long. I am big. Nothing in our way. This is the Overlord tank. I am big. This is the Overlord tank.
Warheads preserved.
I will crush.
We bear gifts.
I am big.
Our power is low.
Warheads preserved.
General, our enemy is using that particle cannon.
This is the Overlord tank.
Warheads preserved.
What do you need?
General, our enemy is using that GPS scrambler.
This better be good.
Let's fight.
This is the Overlord tank. Overlord moving. It is time. In a moment. It won't be long.
I will work. I'm just a peasant. Does it have to be so far? I will work. I'm hungry. I will help. I will work. Cannot we live in peace? I will work. I'm just a peasant. I will do not hurt me. This is hard work.
General,
I
our
will
enemy
work.
is
What do you
using
want
that
me?
GPS
I will do
scrambler.
the best I can. Cannot we live in peace?
General, a nuclear missile has been
Do
released.
what I'm told.
The warrior has fallen.
I am big. I am in control. What is next? I extra large.
We will be generous.
What do you need?
The warrior has fallen.
The mother of all weapons. Precious cargo. Be careful. She's fragile.
I'm hungry. It already needs repair.
General, our enemy is using their GPS scrambler.
Does it have to be so far?
We bear gifts. Where shall we prepare? We must be patient.
I will work.
Precious cargo. We must be patient. Be careful, she's
Our
fragile.
power is low.
Precious cargo.
Be careful. The enemy has built
We
a
must be
scud
patient.
General, our enemy
Precious
is using
cargo.
their particle cannon.
Brace yourselves. We must be patient. Where shall we prepare? Be careful, she's fragile.
Our courage will be seen by all.
Do not hurt me. If that is what you want, I will do the best I can.
General, our enemy is using their particle cannon.
I will work. I will obey. I do what I am told. Building construction has been completed. I will work. Are there not better tools? I will work.
No cost is too great. Our way is through. Let's fight. We will not be hindered. One path to freedom.
Cannot we live in peace? I will do what I must.
We will not Our courage will be seen by
I will
all.
work.
We must take what no is cost ours. Is too great. We will not be hindered.
Nuke warheads preserved. We must be
have captured the
patient.
building. We will not be
Construction has
oppressed.
been completed.
One path to freedom. Shh, I sense danger very near.
I am finished with the building.
Quick, ready
A
yourself.
warrior has fallen.
Quad cannon. Squad on the floor.
I will obey. Building construction has better tools? I'm just a peasant. I will do the best I can. I'm hungry. You change your mind often.
A warrior has fallen.
The higher order shall reign. Attacking.
Our power is low.
Mother of
Our
all.
base is under attack.
General,
Where shall we
our
prepare?
enemy is using their
Precious
particle
cargo.
cannon.
We must be patient.
General, a scud storm has been launched.
Prepare to fight.
We bear gifts. We must be patient. Where shall we prepare? Be careful, she's fragile. Precious cargo.
We will not be oppressed. Nothing will stop us.
Nuke warheads
Our
preserved.
base is in peril.
We will be generous, the mother of all weapons. We bear gifts. We must be patient. Nuke warheads preserved. We will be generous. We bear gifts.
Building construction has been completed.
Nuke warheads we will be generous. We bear gifts. Nuke warheads preserved. We will be generous. The mother of all weapons.
Launching scud storm.
Nuke warheads preserved. Be careful, she's fragile. Nuke warheads we bear gifts.
General, our land is being attacked. Our courage will be seen by all. The higher order shall reign. Take us to glory. One path to freedom. Our way is through.
A warrior has
What do you
fallen.
want me? Do not hurt me. I'm just a peasant.
The new camel has arrived.
The mother of all weapons.
has arrived.
We will
Our
be
power
generous.
is low.
The mother of all weapons preserved. Morning glory. We bear gifts.
General, our enemy is using their
Our
particle
courage
cannon.
will be seen by all.
We will be generous. This day is Nuke warheads preserved. We bear gifts. Nuke warheads preserved. We will be generous. Brace yourselves. Brighter than the sun. The mother of all weapons. The final word. We will be generous. We bear gifts. Brace yourselves. Nuke warheads preserved.
General, our
The
enemy
higher
is
order
using their
shall
particle
reign.
cannon.
Nothing will stop us.
We will be generous. The mother of all warheads preserved.
Our way is through.
We will be generous. The mother of all weapons. We will be generous. Nuke warheads preserved.
The higher order
We
shall
will be
reign.
generous.
We can now use our Scudstorm.
We bear gifts. Nuke warheads preserved. This day is to be. We will be generous. Nuke warheads preserved. We will be generous. The mother of all
We will
weapons.
not be oppressed. Our courage will be seen by all. Take us to glory.
We will be generous. Morning glory.
Prepare to fight.
The mother of all weapons. Nuke warheads preserved. We will be generous. We bear gifts. Nuke warheads preserved.
Launching Scudstorm.
Our courage will be seen by all.
We will be generous. Brighter than the sun.
Laying the foundation. What? Going. Yes, yes. I do not have patience for this.
Our
Going.
power is low.
I'll get there.
General,
I'll get
our
there.
enemy is using that particle
I do
energy.
not have patience for this. Don't get on my bad side.
Nuke warheads preserved. She's fragile. Precious cargo.
Quad cannon. I'll get there. Going.
General, a nuclear missile has been released.
I will obey. Yes, doesn't hurt me so far.
Warrior is fallen.
We will not be oppressed. Take us to glory. Nothing will stop us.
Four on the floor.
The higher order shall reign.
A warrior has
No
fallen.
cost is too great. Nothing will stop us.
What?
What's the
We
job?
will be generous.
I hear you. I move in the shadows. I will wait there.
Want to make some improvements? I'll build anywhere.
I can drive anything. Step by step. Shh, I can't be seen.
Let's build. Getting to work. Good area.
Guarding the GLA underground. Shh! I sense danger may be near. Quick, ready yourself. Shh! I sense danger may be near. No cost is too great.
What do you want with me? If that is what you want.
Get
We
on
will
my
not be
bad
oppressed.
side.
Fight.
The mother of all weapons.
Oh, okay, I will work. Our work is complete.
Our power is
All
low.
finished. Always ready. Can't build there, sir.
General, a Scudstorm has been launched. We can now use our Scudstorm.
Building construction has been completed. I will work. What do you want with me? Do not hurt me.
camo netting has arrived.
You change your mind often.
All
Nuke
finished.
warheads preserved.
Repairing my tools. Anything else?
Upgrade complete.
Yes,
I'll puncture the next thing.
I will do what I must.
Quad cannon. Four on the floor. Huh? I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Prepare to fight.
No one escapes.
No cost is too great.
Our work is complete.
Laying the foundation. Going up. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Cannot we live in peace? I will work. Are there not better tools? I will
We
work.
bear gifts.
Quad cannon. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I will work.
Guarding the GLA underground.
I will work. I will work.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I'm just a peasant. That was a lot of work.
The new camo netting
Yes,
has
I'm
arrived.
hungry. Yes. Oh, okay, okay. I will live in
Puncture the next
peace.
thing that moves.
Does it have to be so far? I'm just a peasant. I will carry as much as I can. Cannot we live in peace? I'm just a peasant. I will do the best I can. I will work. What do you want with me? This hammer is heavy. I
Don't
will
get
work.
on my bad side.
I will work.
The new camo netting has arrived.
I will work.
I'll get there. Don't push me. I do not have patience for this. They will break and shatter. They are prisoners.
A warrior has fallen.
What?
Our way is through. The higher order shall reign through. The higher
was a
order
lot
shall
of
reign.
work.
Our courage will be seen by all.
Four on the floor.
Building construction has been
No
completed.
cost is too great.
Do not hurt me. I'm hungry. Yes, I will do what I must.
Our nuclear missile is ready
I
for
will
launch.
obey.
We will not be oppressed. Our courage will be seen by all. The higher order shall reign. Yes, I go.
I'm just a peasant. My hands have
The
splinters.
building belongs to us now.
I'm hungry. Oh, okay,
We
okay, I
can
will
now
work.
use our scud storm.
I'm hungry.
I am waiting.
Our courage will be
I
seen
am
by
finished
all.
with the building.
Take it by force.
Building construction has been completed. Are there not better tools? Cannot we live in peace?
We will not be oppressed.
new
Take us
cabinet
to
has
glory. Our courage will be
new
seen by
cabinet
all.
has arrived.
The higher order shall reign. The building belongs to us now.
No one escapes.
Our way is through. One path to freedom. Our courage will be seen by all. Nothing will stop us. Take us to glory. Let's fight. Take us to glory.
Nuke warheads preserved. Where shall we prepare?
We will not be
I'm
oppressed.
hungry. Do not hurt me.
Our courage will be seen by all.
was a lot
Our
of
way
work.
is through.
That was a lot of work. What do you want with me? I will obey.
We have captured the building.
Cannot we live in peace? Are there not better tools? I'm just a peasant.
camo netting has arrived.
I will do the best I can.
Don't get on my bad side.
We will not be hindered. Our courage will be seen by all.
Quad cannon. Four on the floor. Don't get on my bad side. Punch it. Don't push me. Yes, yes. I'll get there. Yes, yes. I do not have patience for this. I'll get there. Punch it.
I'm making it down.
I do not have patience for this. Going. Yes, yes.
That was a
Prepare
lot
to
of
fight.
work.
Our courage will be seen by all.
A warrior has
Our
fallen.
courage will be seen by all.
Four on the floor. Going. Huh? Going.
General, a nuclear missile has been released.
Start the machinery. I'll get there.
Building construction has been completed.
I do not have patience for this. I'll get there. Don't push me. Punch it. They are better. Quad cannon. Don't get on one side. Give me that. Four on the floor. I'll get there. What? They are brittle, huh? Yes, yes. Four on the floor. I'll get there. Huh? What? Four on the floor. Quad
A
cannon.
warrior has fallen.
Don't get on my side. I'll get there. Start the machine. Don't get on the floor. Huh? What? Don't get on my side. Going. Don't push me. What? Yes, yes. I'll get there. They are brittle. Don't get on my bad side. Going. Yes, yes. What? Punch it. Don't get on my bad side. Quad cannon. What? Four on the floor.
Work is complete. I am finished with the building.
What? Don't get on my bad side.
The tunnels will protect us.
We will be generous.
Generous.
We bear gifts. Precious cargo.
I will work. I will work. I will work. I will work.
We will be generous.
I will work. 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 I'm hungry. I will work. I will obey. That's a lot of supplies. Yes. You change your mind often.
We will not be oppressed. The way is clear.
What do you want with me? I do what I am told.
We bear gifts. The mother of all weapons.
Prepare to fight.
Yes. What do you want with me?
We will be generous. Precious cargo. The mother of all weapons.
Launching Skedstorm.
What? Yes, yes.
Launching nuclear facility.
Don't get on my bad side. Going. Quad cannon. Yes, yes. Don't push me. Begin stitching. I'll get there. I do not have patience for this. Don't push me. Going. Yes, yes. They will break and shatter. Punch it. Don't push me. Don't push me.
Upgrade complete.
I do not have patience for this. Going.
We will be generous. Brace yourselves.
I'm just a peasant. You change your mind often. I'm hungry. I will do the best I can. Cannot we live in peace? Oh, okay, okay, I will work. Cannot we live in peace? What do you want with me? You change your mind often. I am finished with the building. Does it have to be so far?
We bear gifts.
That was a lot of work. I'm hungry. If that is what you want, it was a lot of work.
Nuke warheads preserved.
I'm just a peasant.
We will be generous.
A warrior has fallen.
I am finished with
Brighter
the
than the
building.
sun. This day is to be remembered. Nuke warheads preserved.
A warrior has fallen.
Do not hurt me.
We will be generous. The mother of all weapons.
Our courage will be seen by all. The higher order shall reign. The way is clear.
Huh?
They won't expect anything. I can drag anything.
No cost is too great.
Don't get on my bad side. Yes, yes.
Nuke warheads preserved. Be careful. She's fragile.
Going. I do not have patience for this.
Want to make some improvements? On the job. Who's signing for this? I'll get it there.
Don't get on my bad side. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. I'll get there. Don't push me. Going.
Need a delivery, General?
We can now use
I
our
got the goods.
Skedstorm.
Distribution underway.
Launching Skedstorm.
Loaded with U.S. quality.
We bear gifts. Precious
Quad cannon. I'll
cargo.
get there. Going. Don't push me. Yes, yes. I'll get there. I'll get there.
A warrior has fallen.
Going.
We will be generous. Be careful. She's
We will
fragile.
not be oppressed.
Oh, okay, okay, I will work. I'm hungry. Cannot we live in peace? This hammer is heavy.
That wasn't done.
Let's build. I'll build anywhere. Can't build there, sir. Want to make some improvements? Bring on the scaffolding. Let's get to work. New construction? Let's find a better place. Made in the U.S. of A.
I am
That was a
waiting.
lot of work.
They won't notice.
Yes. Cannot we live in peace? I will do the best I can.
Camo netting has arrived. Prepare to fight.
Any more projects? I got the goods. Right on schedule. Keep the supplies rolling.
Our land must be preserved.
We can now use our Skedstorm.
The building belongs to us
Building
now.
construction has been completed. What do you want with me?
Any more projects?
This is hard work.
Yeah?
The new camo netting has arrived.
Going up. Laying the foundation. On the job. What's the story? Going up. Always ready. On the job. That one's done.
They won't expect anything. I hear you. Not a challenge. Who's next?
Our work is complete.
Sight unseen. Shh, I am waiting.
Huh?
The mother of all weapons.
Don't get on my bad side. Yes, yes. Serving our country.
Do not hurt me. I
Our
will go.
nuclear missile is ready for launch.
Our work is complete.
New construction. Have a job for me.
I'm just a peasant. I'm hungry. I will do what I must. I'm just a peasant.
The new camo
I will
netting has
try to
arrived.
hurry.
That one's done.
Search
I
and
am
destroy.
finished with the building.
Let's build. Going up. Want to make some improvements? Good area. Made in the US of A. Keep 'em busy. On the job.
Upgrade complete.
Bring on the scaffolding. On the job. Let's find a better place. Ooh, can't do that. Loud and clear. Ooh, can't do that. Keep 'em busy. Let's find a better place. Going up. Sorry, I can't build there.
Upgrading the new
Let's
supply
find a
line.
better place. I'll build anywhere. Let's find a better place. On the job. Bring on the scaffolding. Yeah, on the job.
Do not hurt me. I will go. Oh, okay. I will work. I will obey. This is hard work. I will do the best I can. I'm hungry.
Quad cannon going.
Building construction has been completed. Oh, okay. I will work.
The new camo netting has arrived.
This hammer cannot live in peace. I will obey. Oh, okay. I will work. Do not hurt me. This hammer is just a peasant.
Our courage will be seen by all.
Building construction has been completed. I am finished with the building. Are there not better tools? What do you want with me?
No one escapes.
Advanced training is complete, sir.
Shh, I
Our
sense
work is
danger
complete.
may be near.
Building construction has
Must
been
be
completed.
preserved. Guarding the GLA underground. Step.
4 on the floor. I do not have patience for
I
this.
am waiting. The test drive, huh?
Any more projects?
Let's fight.
We can now use our scud storm.
Where shall we prepare? Where shall we prepare?
What's the story?
Keep it safe. Distribution underway.
I am finished with the building.
Our power is low.
I am finished with the building. This hammer is heavy. Are there not better tools?
Want to make some improvements?
What do you want with me? I'm just a peasant. What do you want with me? I'm just a peasant.
Always ready. That one's done. Good area. Going up. Sounds good. Made in the US of A.
Chem suits have just arrived.
Make my own road. On the job. Going up. On the job. On the job. Going up. On the job.
The higher order shall reign.
I will obey. This hammer is hungry.
Quick, ready yourself.
High-speed bomber ready for
Guarding the
takeoff.
GLA underground.
I hear you.
Quick, ready your step. Our courage will be seen by
Take
all.
off to
Quad
glory.
cannon. Going.
Nuke warheads preserved.
I am finished with the
Aurora
building.
in flight. Passing overhead. Drone armor has been installed.
That was a lot of work. I will obey. I'm hungry.
We can now use our scud storm.
Cannot we live in peace? That was a lot of work.
Finished.
I am finished with the building.
High-speed bomber ready for takeoff.
Yes. Cannot we live in peace?
Pushing the envelope.
Our work is complete.
Laying the
Finished with
foundation.
building. I'm just a peasant.
Upgrade complete.
That was a lot of work.
This hammer is
I'm
heavy.
hungry.
What's the story?
I'm just a peasant. If that is what you want. Our work is complete. I am finished with the building.
We are victorious. Our power is low.